True Ghetto story. This is my story. Real Ghetto story. Hey.
Let's Parnell. Girlie.
AKA Girlie.
Icky.
To the building.
This man here is the world girl's spec. Girlie. Say something to them. Say something to them.
We are here, and you don't know, say, we are here supporting my good friend, one of my guys who worked with me over the years, Iyah. We are going, I'm telling you, the place is very good. There was energy out there. The only problem we had the mic, and we can't start stress that. People coming back out, you're gonna come back again, and this time around, everything's gonna be perfect. The man willing to give a complimentary show to the entire Bronx. So everybody come out and support it, get a story, #1. Whole thing, Iyah, Cushy, Iceland and the crew, everybody holding thing down. Young actors, them, all the new actors, them, they were very good. Very good. Full of energy. Schoolboy, the storyline is very good. The little kid who, you know, trying to go to school, but at the same time, I chuck back. But the storyline is impeccable. Iyah, first time around, you did a good job, man. Looking forward for you to blast up some more. Everybody do them thing. Girlie says something, done, get a story.
survival story, true ghetto story. This is my story, real ghetto story. Hey.